Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing mostly a voiceover because the background noise was a lot to have my son in the back with me, and then my brothers are going to walk in a little bit, so that's why I'm going to do a voiceover. And right here I'm just priming my skin with the Clinique Moisture Surge, the 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator, because my skin has been super dry and I don't know why, so I just decided to put that on before I prime my skin and everything like that. Alright guys, I have on foundation, I have on concealer, I've done my eyebrows, and I've primed my eyes, and now we are going to use this bad boy. Super excited to finally bust it open. I know I did a couple of swatches for you guys, but today I've decided to do kind of like a brown smoky eye. So I'm going to be using this palette and my Amazon palette. I'm going to be using these palettes today to make a brown smoky eye. I just got through watching a couple of videos and was a little inspired to do a video myself. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. And don't forget to subscribe. My son says to subscribe, and so does Bay. Yeah, he's a little busy, but yeah. Here we go.
Xantone going crazy. Bitch, I'm the king of this shit. And now my money up and know it. It's such a beautiful day. It's such a beautiful day. I just been jigging all day. I'ma play catch it today. I don't play high stakes. Martin Luther King of this shit. I had a dream of this shit. Martin Luther King of this shit. I had a dream of this shit. Top chef serving onions. Pack still serving bundles. Catching plays, no fumbles. Long hair, no Rapunzel. From the back, she running. When I finish, count the money. The king of this shit. Bitch, I'm the king of this shit. Trap job, no hopscotch. Eat the block, then collect knots. Black boys on the paper route. Hot roads quick to take you out. Trying to jack, find a safer route. Clacking bread, yeah, we're about. Busting heads, yeah, we're about. No throat jabbing, pussy settle down. Bitches just moved to the city. Pushing the foreign, the windows be tinted. When I pass by, no telling what's in it. Cracking the window, you smelling what's in it. You asking and buying, I'm selling what's in it. Question that route I serve. Dropping the pack, then I swerve. Medicine man with the herb. Top shelf grade A, plus the price like A. Businessman like J, coordinator with the plays. Jug, all I know get to the money. Jug, bitch I'm the king of the shit. Xantone going crazy. Elixar in my cup, we pouring up. Yeah, we geek, we soaring up. Daydreamer, night euphoria. Ice age on my neck, yeah, these bite. Ice so bright, pull apart, right on ice. Bad bitches spend the night. She can't sleep, my ice too bright. She roll the wood just like some dice.
Alright, I had to do a little bit of that situation because I had it looking like crazy. So I'm just going to pop on some eyelashes as usual, and then we're going to finish off the whole eye look. Like I said, I like to do lashes in between finishing up my eye look because of how much lash glue I get all over the place. So I'm going to pop those on and I'll be right back, guys.
One more pint of that elixir. Icebox around my neck, a flurry blizzard. I'm a cold and babe.
Now I gotta fix what needs fixing.
Nah, cause we slaves. Wait. Almost missed my fucking flight. Chillin' with this little bitch all night. Euphoria can't miss a cuffin' door. I've been missing. Action I ain't missing, bitch. You know I'm about my business. Rick and Morty, we some chemists. MJ bad, smooth criminals. chasing Benja, ain't got time for wheel spinner. Tryna stack it to the ceiling. While them backwards got me lifted. We roll fingers, we don't split it. Excuse me, let me sip my elixir. I mean, lean on the rocks got me. Wow, scene kinda hot, cause I'm that fly. We young gunners only aim at tops. To my bank account, right? I can't fucking stop.
Elixir in my cup, we pouring up. Yeah, we geek, we soaring up. Daydreamer, night euphoria. Ice sage on my neck, yeah, these bite. Ice so bright, pull apart, ride on ice. Bad bitches spend the night. She can't sleep, my ice too bright. She roll the wood just like some dice. Cherry Sprite, one more pint of that elixir. Ice box.
He didn't know where you was at. He was like, he was like, damn, what the fuck could do that? So he ran.
Whoa, 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 bitch, we gotta get it. Yeah, we gotta get it. Whoa, 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 cut. I make the scene you absent. Can't see us, bitch, we up next. Money train, come join this Amtrak. Stuck to the top, no thumbtack. Plenty kush, we twist and burn that. Turned up, welcome to the no stress song. Like a ex, niggas, fuck y'all. Like a ex, niggas, fuck y'all. I make the scene you absent. Can't see us, bitch, we up next. Money train, come join this Amtrak. Stuck to the top, no thumbtack. Plenty kush, we twist and burn that. Turned up, welcome to the no stress song. Like a ex, niggas, fuck y'all. Like a ex, niggas, fuck y'all. Up, 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 up and away. Bitch boy, fuck on my face. Bitch, I'm straight turning up, I'm killing them. Flip shit like I'm caught willing them. Retard, I'm going straight illin' them. Straight jacket, psych, what Eminem. Running up, blup, 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 blemish them. Chasing that check, stack them dividends. Fuck beef, let bullets go in the wind. Came for nothing, got no choice but to win. New form for keys, press the button then. Bad bitches, yeah, you know they flooding in. Long money, nigga trying to stay flooded with. Jack, who rob, who pussy get zipped. I make the scene you absent. Just call me Inspector Gadget. Like ghettos, keep a ratchet. Fuck hoes that rock them badges. My trap spot ain't your business. My trap spot get busy. Caesar, Xantone, let's get it. I grind the world gon' witness that meal I got.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. To be honest, it turned out more like a kind of a purple smoky eye. I guess I used too much of the shade framed and it kind of took over. But I'm still liking it. Not as brown as I would have hoped because I was going for more of a brown smoky eye. So now we're just going to call this warm toned smoky eye. And that'll just be the shebang with this. That is going to be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for, you know, for your sake. You know, you can join the fam. We'd love to have you. Anyway, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
We some outlaws, Lil Deontay, a touch out, Lil Tootie, a flush out. We ruthless, what about y'all? Ain't think so, bitch, so stand down.